Hey, Ma! Can we get some meatloaf? The meatloaf! We want it now! The meatloaf!
If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.
Is that your sister? Is your sister here? Is that your sister? Oh.
I'm James. I'm 17. And I'm pretty sure I'm a psychopath.
What? Why are you being sassy? Really? My God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
You dare speak to me in that tone of voice, boy? Oh, you must.
Yeah. I'm not gonna tell Mama you love her. Come here, tell her you love her. Say I love you. Good boy. Good boy.
It's an octopus. Let's see if Rupert likes it. What you got? Oh. What's happening?
Oh, what is that?
What is that?
Look, an octopus?
Oh, look.
Look up to $150 for covered over-the-counter items and groceries every month. With United Healthcare Dual Complete, there's more for you. You try to stay.
There you go. Is that good, boy?
What are you boobing about?
Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? No, I don't be owl.
Stop digging. Stop digging in my couch. Lose your attitude. Hey. Aries Miller.
Julep. Julep.
What are you doing, buddy? Is this your home now?
We give up. Stop it.
I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, if you don't leave me alone.
Whisper. 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 Whisper.
Rudy, what have you got? No! You got Mum's undies again? Rudy, give them back. They caught around your arm. Rudy, no! No! Ah, come here. Rudy, no. Stop. Yes, good boy. Good boy. No. Yes. Oh, thank you.